Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my NYX Face Awards UK 2019 first challenge for the theme Proud Soul. This look is dedicated to the LGBTQIA+ community and is intended to represent the freedom to be unconditionally yourself and proud. Using the Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk, sketch out your look and fill in with SFX cream paints in your desired gradient. Add detailing work with an Epic ink liner and SFX cream paints in black and brown. Set the feathers with eyeshadows from Ultimate Brights palette and the Ultimate Phoenix palette. Then use a mix of SFX cream paint and Vivid Brights to add small mark-making lines to blend each gradient together. Shade under the chin with more eyeshadow to create depth. Add blue lenses, prime our skin with Hydra Touch Primer, and lips with This Is Everything Lip Oil. Use your NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, concealer and cream contour to make your base. I decided to go for a large, vibrant cut crease look with curved brows that follow the shape of the eyes, using both a micro brow pencil and an Epic ink liner. You can use the colours from the Off Tropic palette and a selection of hot singles for this. Line your lips and fill with a NYX matte suede lipstick in Clinger and top with Cocktail Party Duochrome. Set your makeup with a matte finish setting spray and the makeup is complete. Add your wings, wig and headband and the look is finished. Thank you so much for watching this video, and while it isn't a voting round, if you would like to see me go through to the next round, show some love and support in the comments here and on Instagram, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next one. Bye!